From network nightmares to seamless streams, TP-Link TL-SG3452P wins.
Imagine your network as a tangled tango of tired cables, where devices drop like dominoes in a din of disconnects and dimming dreams. That switchboard shuffle turning setups into standoffs. It's a bandwidth ballet gone bust, yeah? If your PoE paradise feels more prank than powerhouse, you're plugged into the plight with us. Ever felt like your tools are working against you? Drop an idea if this sounds familiar.
Backlogs build like bandwidth bandits. Tension twists from token timeouts. And that fatigue fog where flows fizzle into frustration hit home? It's the switch saga of snag and strain, starving streams into stutters. But envision an effortless escalation without heaping on more hassle or hubbub to your hierarchy. Unveil the TP-Link TL-SG3452P, your 48-port PoE powerhouse, channeling 384 watts wizardry across Gigabit guardians with L2+ lore for VLAN voyages and static routing rifts that reroute regrets. Omada SDN summons cloud commandos for zero-touch zaps, while SFP slots sling 1G surges for spine-stiffening speed. Feel the rack's resolute rack, the fan's faint flutter fending frenzy, evoking that electric equilibrium, the hum of harmony where hubs heal. Security sentinels like ACL armor at 802.1x shields stand sentinel, QoS queens queuing quests with precision poise, and EEE elegance eases energy echoes. Here's one way the TP-Link TL-SG3452P saved the day for a harried IT helmsman. Amid camera cascade crisis, its PoE auto-recovery revived rogue rigs remotely, restoring surveillance serenity as streams surged sans snag. That stabilizing surge, the subtle status glow grounding gears, pure protocol poetry. Keep reading for the bonus trick at the end, because this transcends toggling traffic. It's a tantalizing torrent, port by pulsating port.
Ignite the infrastructure idle, whirlwind wiring for woven wonders without the wattage waste. Laser lock on latency lows with managed mastery that mends the mesh, and performance so potent it propels pros into pantheon peaks. Network nobles nod it, a specialist slyly shared. 384-watt PoE's a powerhouse ploy. Omada's cloud cloak crushes config cramps. Envision the evocative engine. SFP sparks slicing silos, VLAN veils veiling vulnerabilities, or the hushed harmony of QoS queuing quests. Influencers ignite it. A lab luminary laughed. Zero touch zapped my zaps. VLANs vanquished the void. Analysts acclaim the ascent. TP-Link's TL-SG3452P topples tiered titans, captivating cloud clans with SDN serenity at shrewd stakes. Real users revel, a retailer reflected. POS and cams cruised, ACLs armored our assets. Quibble quelled, budget bind, L2+ layers lavish luxury without lofty labels lampooning legacy lags. See why thousands can't stop talking about this? It's deliciously defiant. Why worship wired when wireless weaves your web? Which feature would save your day? PoE Pulse or SDN Spell? Comment below and let's link the lore. Because nothing eclipses the enchanting echo of a switch that surges your saga, craving that next notch in the network notch.
Hot drop hustle. Thousands of techies have already turbocharged their topologies with the TP-Link TL-SG3452P, ditching dropouts for dynamic domains. If you're strangled by static snags or scale strains, this may change your game, one PoE pulse at a time. Don't wait, grab yours today and galvanize the grid. Comment yes if you want to unlock the secret VLAN vault inside.
Click now for an exclusive QoS quick fix that quiets queues instantly. Don't just watch, plunge in and power your paradigm today.